Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start to English. In the world everywhere, this question very easy English speaking, but step by step, 1 month guide. Your brand is trained. Today's question: could you tell me something about your family? How's the large family? How's the small family? How's the large joint family? How's the orthodox family? How's the modern regular family? How's the orthodox family? There are 8 members in our family. We are 6 members in our family. My father, my mother, my 2 sisters, and a brother beside me. I have 2 brothers and a sister. We are 2 brothers and 3 sisters. What is your father? What does your father do? Where does he work in? Where does he? He is working in a doctor Scores hospital in a doctor in his course. Behave yourself. I swear. What's your opinion? Who told you? Why are you late? Train is delayed. Flight is on time. Mind your own business. Take out the switch. You are fire. Keep smiling. Hold it. Repeat it once more. Repeat it. It's luxury. Gods know that. Gods knows.